What's going on, guys? It is hot, and I am working on the floor. So, I am in the process of taking the old pieces off of this cowl. I have the cowl braces, cowl to cowl to firewall braces out already. Now I'm just working on the pieces here that are, it's kind of like an extension to the sub rails. So I gotta cut the tack welds and the rivets off of that, pull those off, and pull the firewall off, and that should be all I need to do on this for now. I might take might cut pieces of the firewall off to fix that, but as you can see, I'm gonna weld that piece back in because it belongs there. I'm not gonna use the other one. I'll use the other one for pieces, but I want to keep this one as intact, original as it can be. So yeah, just what I'm doing. there's one. This is gonna, well, I gotta sandblast this and maybe patch. Gotta patch that up, but it's gonna be the new foot for the coupe. The other one is. If anyone else is taking these apart, there's rivets and spot welds. Spot welds are kind of hard to find, but you'll get them. Sometimes they're easy. Like this side, there's 1, 2, 3. That's it. That was a. Is that a weld? No, that was a bolt. That's a rivet there. So I'm just gonna drill these out, and they should fall out just like the other one. Let's get it. Jeez, I keep burning myself today. What the frick? A little crusty, but damn, it's a lot cleaner than anything I'd find up here in New England. Now, unfortunately, I had to do all that same stuff to my coupe because I need to put that stuff in, and the same process taking it out is putting it in. So I don't want to cut this car up, but I have to. I have to if I want to make it nice. Take the cowl off, separate it from the rest of the body, and what I found out from here, this is the front of the sub rails that connects to the sub rail extension. So there should be 1, 2, 3. You can see that? And 4. This one doesn't hit it. So 4 rivets. Gotta take that rivet out, cut that weld, and unbolt this carriage bolt here on each side, and the cowl should separate. I'm gonna take this off, or this, separate the tops, but that's pretty easy. last a minute now. Gotta finish it now. Should have had to be done. I wanted to keep it together as long as I could, but I thought about it and I said, what's the point? I gotta take it apart anyway. Piece by piece, fix it. Piece by piece. So it's done right. Sometimes you gotta take things apart. Yeah, I flipped it over. On its side. There was no way just getting these sub rails off when they were sitting on the ground. So figured it's not going to hurt it too much. It doesn't weigh too much as it is. So now I got to cut these, what's left of these sub rails off. And then I think I want to separate quarters from the back window panel. Take everything apart so I can fix the different panels, so I can move them around and not have to worry about getting at a weird angle to weld it, and just fix all the panels separately and then bolt everything back together. Actually, I think all I'm doing today. Got family coming over. It's now it's Father's Day weekend, but it's probably going to be like a month before this even comes out because editing takes me so long that I get so much done in the shop and I forget to edit, and I go to edit and it's way too late and I don't get anything done. So I don't know. I gotta figure out a workflow to get all these videos done because I'm just stacking footage and I don't know what to do with it.